The water slightly choppy.
Yes, the Radio Shack went off. Yes. Oh my God, finally. I forgot I put a 100 ohm resistor in here. I'll just take that out later.
Radio station's public warning system.
Yes, he finally went off, dude.
Specially built receivers can be automatically activated.
Wait, for how long? Okay, good.
The impending hazard.
It decoded, alright.
Test of the signal and receiver's performance.
Let's go to the EAR10. I also modded that too.
Every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12
I put the original light back in.
will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
Very peak test. Everything I have activated.
The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous
How?
watches and warnings for the following counties.
It's like an absolute mirror.
Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device.
Where is it?
The coastal waters forecast for the following: Galveston Bay. Today, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. The water slightly.
What's still going?
A slight chance of showers.
My EAR10 and you.
Tonight.
Let's just do that. Peak backlights. Alright, very successful test. Everything activated.